Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title guys how to solve talkback problem in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to solve Oppo mobile talkback problem. So how to solve talkback problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first of all use your two finger and swipe your open your phone setting and press double tap on phone setting. If you one tap you cannot open phone setting. Press double tap continue. After double tap friends click here Wi-Fi setting and use your two finger and again scroll. Open your phone additional setting, double tap continue. After double tap friends click here accessibility setting and press again double tap. If you one tap you cannot open your phone accessibility setting. So friends double tap here. After double tap friends you can see first option is talkback vision setting. First option talkback, click here and friends double tap here. After double tap friends again double tap. Friends click here stop button and press double tap. Your problem will solve. Double tap here. Talkback problem solved. And friends now you can use your mobile without talkback. You can use your phone with one finger. You can open any app, you can on any setting with one tap. And friends again you have talkback problem. After on talkback friends you want to use talkback settings. So friends you can use talkback with two finger. One finger you cannot use talkback. Double tap, one tap, double tap, one tap and double tap. So a person who is blind get they use talkback with sound. And you can use your screen with two finger. One finger you cannot use your screen. You want to close your recent app, use your two finger, you can close your recent app. And once again you have talkback problem, so open your phone setting, open your phone search option, double tap here and friends search your talkback setting. And friends open your phone talkback setting, one tap and double tap. Talkback, double tap, stop button, double tap, talkback problem solved. So like that friends you can solve talkback step by step and you can solve talkback with shortcut setting. Friends search your talkback, one tap on talkback setting and double tap, talkback problem will solve in your Oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood how to solve talkback problem. Bye.